The days grow cooler, crops grow tall, summertime has turned to fall. Here is Combine, strong and proud. She comes out rumbling, huge and loud. She rolls on hills and through the fields, harvesting what each row yields. Tractor pulls, grain carts behind. She rolls with Combine, all aligned. Auger lifts the grain up high, and tractor catches on the fly. On hilly highways, up and down, semi-trucks take grain to town. Pickup truck is everywhere, carrying things from here to there. He helps wherever there's a need, hauling tools or straw or feed. No job's too little or too big. Look, now he's carrying a pig. There's just one last crop to bring in. The pumpkin harvest can begin. Loader lifts, then pumpkins fly, for pumpkin carving, pumpkin pie. She harvests each and every one, from dawn to dusk, and then she's done. Winter comes, and strong wind blow. Bulldozer clears away the snow. And mighty crane truck is on site to fix the roof and seal it tight. Dump trucks hauling things away, excavator brings in hay, and skid steers loading, swift and sure, her forklift holds the bales secure. The animals are safe and warm, the barn is snug against the storm.